Claude can look at your photos and read your documents, and both start from the same button that most people never tap. Open your apps and open Claude, then start a new chat. Now look at the bottom left of the message box. There is a small plus icon. Tap it. That opens Add to Chat, and you get camera, photos, files, and web search. Camera takes a new picture, photos pulls one out of your gallery, and files is for documents. Start with a photo. Tap Photos and Android's own picker opens. Notice the line at the top. This app can only access the photos you select. Claude never gets your whole gallery. Tap Albums, then Camera, and pick the picture you want. I am using a photo of a lunch plate. Tap it once and a blue tick appears. Then tap Add at the bottom. The photo is now attached to your message, with a remove button if you change your mind. Now tell Claude what you want to know about it. Tap the message box and type your question. I am asking what is on this plate, and roughly how many calories. Send it, and watch what comes back. Claude reads the actual picture: grilled salmon, steamed broccoli, cherry tomatoes, and a mixed grain that it identifies as quinoa. It is describing what is really in the photo, not guessing from the file name. Documents work in exactly the same way. Start a new chat, tap the plus again, and this time tap Files. Android's own file picker opens, showing what is actually on your phone, with filters for documents, images, audio and video along the top. I am picking a PDF. One tap on the row is all it takes, and it attaches straight away, with a PDF badge so you can see exactly what went in. Then ask about it in exactly the same way. Tap the message box, type what you want, and send. I am asking for a short summary. Claude opens the file, reads it, and answers from what is actually inside the document. That works for reports, receipts, notes, instructions, anything you can get into a PDF. And it is the same plus button every single time. So, quick recap. Start a new chat and tap the plus icon at the bottom left of the message box. Choose photos for a picture from your gallery, camera to take a new one, or files for a document. Pick what you want, let it attach, then tap the message box and ask your question as normal. Claude reads the image or the file and answers from what is genuinely in it. If this helped you out, a thumbs up and a subscribe really do help the channel. Thanks for watching.